Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can become black on chess.com, so let's get right into it. Now, being black or white on chess.com and in chess in general is wholly dependent on random number generation, so if you're playing an official online game, it will be completely random which color you are and you cannot select it. However, you can select it in two different situations. Of course, you can use classrooms and analyses to actually create a board and play whichever one you want, whether it's white or black, it doesn't matter. But you can also do it in PvP games or in PvC games. For PvP, you need to go to your friends and challenge your friends. Just click on challenge next to any of your friends' names, and then once you're setting everything up, and for some reason this is in an arena, but yeah, here you select black, click play, and then once they accept, they will be white, and that's pretty much it. Now, if you create a game versus a computer, and let me just resign this one which I'm currently in, just resign that, click new game, select the bot that you want, and then select the difficulty as well as the color you want. In this case, I'll select white, and pretty much you do the same for black, and that's pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.